Good morning, students. In this lecture, I am going to solve problem on Runge-Kutta method of second order. What, students? Second order. Let us see the problem, students. Using Runge-Kutta method of second order, compute y at 2.5 from dy by dx, that is equal to y plus x by x, comma y at 2 is equal to 2. Here see, students, h is equal to 0.25. h is equal to 0.25. Solution. What is f of x, students? Y plus x by x. So let f of x comma y, that is equal to y plus x by x, students. And he given y at 2 is equal to 2, students. That means y at x naught, that is equal to y naught. Y naught. That implies, what is x naught value, students? 2. Y naught value 2. X naught value 2 and y naught value 2, students. Now what is h here? H is equal to 0.25. h is equal to 0.25. Now what is x1, students? x1 that is equal to x naught plus h, students. What is x naught? 2 plus what is h? 0.25. That is equal to 2.25. But we need to find here, students, y at 2.5. That means you first find 2.25. Later you find, in second approximation we get y at 2.5. Are you got the point, students? Here once again, first we get here y at 2.5 in first approximation. In second approximation we get here y at 2.5. y at 2.5. So RK method of second order. What is formula, students? y1, that is equal to, y1 means here y at 2.25. So that is equal to y naught plus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. Say this is 1, students. This is 1. Now what is k1, students? h into f of x naught y naught. And k2, students? h into f of x naught plus h, comma y naught plus k1. So k1, that is equal to h value, students. h value is 0.25. f of x naught, students, x naught 2, comma y naught value 2. So that is equal to 0.25 into x value 2, y value 2, students. So 2 plus 2, 4 by 2. That means we get here 2, students. So that is equal to, we get here 0.25 into 2. We get here 0.5. So k2, that is equal to 0.25 f of x naught plus h. What is x naught plus h value? x1. So 2.25, comma y naught plus k1. y naught is y naught 2 plus 0.5. So 2.5, students, 2.5. That is equal to 0.25 into y plus x, 2.5 plus 2.25 divided by x, students. What is x? 2.25. So that is equal to 0.25 bracket, again put bracket, 2.5 plus 2.25 bracket close divided by 2.25 bracket close. That is equal to, get here 0.528. You get k1, k2 value, students. So substitute in 1 we get. So y1, that is equal to y naught. What is y naught value? 2 plus 1 by 2 k1 value, students. k1 value 0.5 plus k2 value 0.528. That is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5 bracket 0.5 plus 0.528 bracket close, that is equal to, we get here 2.514. 2.514. Now this is y1 value, students. So this is y1 and x1 is 2.25. so RK method of second order, students. RK method of second order. What is sound, students? y2, that is equal, y2 means here y at x2, students. What is x2? x1 plus h. So that is equal, what is x1? x1 is 2.25 plus h value is 0.25. So we get here 2.50, students. 2.50. So we get here y at 2.5, that is equal to, now this time we get here, students, y1 plus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2, k1 plus k2. So this is 2, students. This is 2. Now what is k1 here, students? H is h into f of x1 y1, and k2, students, h into f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k1, so k1, that is equal to h value, students. What is h value? 0.25 into f of x1. What is x1? 2.25 comma y1. What is y1? This value, students, 2.514. that is equal to y plus x, 2.514 plus 2.25 divided by x, 2.25 into 0.25, students. H value is 0.25, that is equal to 0.25 bracket, again bracket 2.514 plus 2.25 bracket close divided by 2.25 bracket close, that is equal, we get here 0.529. So k2 value, students, k2 value. What is k2 value? What is k2? Here, students, k2 is 0.25 f of x1 plus h. What is x1 plus h, students? 2.5 comma y1. What is y1? 2.514 plus k1. k1 value is 0.529, that is equal to 0.25 f of 2.5 comma 2.514 plus 2.514 plus 0.529, that is equal, we get here 3.043, that is equal to 0.25 y plus x, students. So 3.043 plus 2.5 divided by 2.5, that is equal to 0.25 bracket close, again bracket 3.043 plus 2.5 bracket close divided by 2.5 bracket close, that is equal to 0.554. Therefore that means if substitute in 2, students, we get, therefore y2 y 2.5, that is equal to y1. What is y1? 2.514 plus 1 by 2 into k1, 0.529 plus k2, 0.554, that is equal to 2.514 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5 bracket 0.529 plus 0.554 bracket close, that is equal, we get here 3.056, which is we require the solution of given equation, students. At 2 2.5 at 2.5 students. See students, here he given h is 0.25 students, so we get here x1 value is 2.25. okay students, that means in the first approximation we get here y at y1 means y at 2.25 students. okay, you go to second approximation students. Second approximation, y2 that is equal to y1 plus 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. y2 means students y of x2, x2 means x1 plus h 2.5. that means y2 means we get y at 2.5. Simply you find k1 k2 values, you substitute here and simplify it, then you got finally answer students. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.